Hello everybody. I thought I would share this recipe with you. It's quick, easy peasy, and the ingredients are very simple. I'm using 4 chicken breasts. And the chicken breasts are kind of small and they have the skin, but not a lot of skin. And I'm going to add salt, sprinkle in the salt. I'm going to add black pepper. And these chicken breasts have been washed and they have been patted dry. I just used a paper towel. I'm going to flip them over. Just flip them over. Just like that. And you're going to season the other side. Let me wash my hands. And we're going to add salt. Now my husband and I use the Morton's light salt because it has 50% less sodium. And then we're going to add the black pepper. And I use a generous amount of black pepper, and I use the pre-ground. You can grind your own. It's up to you. There we go. Easy peasy. Wash your breasts and then pat them dry. Now you know you can't have a good recipe without my fresh, homegrown herbs. See that amazing rosemary and thyme? Now, today, I'm going to use the rosemary. But you could use rosemary and thyme. But today, only rosemary. And fresh garlic that has been peeled and is ready to be added to the chicken. Now this is it. It's just this simple. When you order your rosemary from me, you're gonna get a minimum of 8 sprigs. I like to get a sprig, sit it right on top of your chicken breast, and I'm going to add 1 clove of garlic per breast, and I'm just going to slice this garlic into maybe 4 pieces, just like that. And I'm going to sit the garlic. Now this is on the meaty side of the breast, just like that. And here we go. I have some thick bacon strips, and all I'm going to do, just wrap the bacon strip around the breast, just like that. That's it. And then here's my baking pan. It holds 4. I'm going to put wait a minute. I don't have a toothpick because I thought it would hold it. There we go. Going to put 1 in there. Let's do another one. 1 clove of garlic. I'm going to cut it into 4 pieces. Nice sprig of my fresh, beautiful, I wish you could smell it, rosemary. Take the breast. Just going to sit it on top of there. Lay my sprigs, my pieces of fresh cut garlic, 1 strip of bacon, just wrap to hold that beautiful sprig right there. add it to the pan. Just like that. I told you, easy peasy this recipe. Another sprig of my beautiful rosemary. 1 clove of garlic. And we're going to slice it. Now look, if you order my homegrown rosemary, you'll get a free recipe. I didn't create these recipes. I found them online, most of them, or got them from somebody, and just sit it in the pan. But you know, who has time to prepare a fresh cooked meal? Now look, if you have small sprigs, that's all right. Add 2 to the top of your breast. 1 clove of garlic. 4 pieces. Just lay your garlic on your meaty part of your breast. Your 4 pieces. Again, 1 strip of bacon, just to secure that rosemary. Now let me show it to you. It is absolutely beautiful. There you go. There are your 4 chicken breasts. Now these chicken breasts, 1 breast per person is all you will need. Like I said, today I'm only using rosemary. And if you like, you could use rosemary and thyme. That's what this is. This beautiful piece, these pieces are fresh thyme. But I wanted only rosemary because I'm going to use so much garlic. 1 clove, large clove per breast. And I'm going to put this in the oven and bake it until it's done. And I'll come back and I'll show you the finished breast.